Okay, students often ask me, how does the heart work? And today I'm going to address it. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to answer a 6-mark question on how the heart works. Now it's important to understand that the left side of the heart is oxygenated and it's shown there with a red color, and the blue color represents deoxygenated blood. Okay, now deoxygenated blood comes in via the vena cava. It goes down the right atrium, down the right ventricle, up into the pulmonary artery, where that blood is sent to the lungs. Why does it go to the lungs? To pick up the oxygen. It picks up the oxygen. Think about what happens in the lungs, especially the alveoli, the alveolus. There's gaseous exchange occurring right there. Oxygen is being picked up. Right. Deoxygenated blood then comes back to the heart via the pulmonary vein. It goes down the left atrium, down the left ventricle, and up into the aorta. The aorta is then responsible to send that blood around the whole body. It's also important to understand that the heart has these things called valves. Valves are important because they stop backward flow. We don't want backward flow at all, okay? It's also very important to understand that your heart is roughly the same size as your fist, and it's also important to understand that the left ventricle is very, very muscular. Think about the left side of the heart is far more important because it has to pump blood around the whole body. The right side just has to get that blood to the lungs. These are the 4 valves in the heart. It's important to understand them. You've got the tricuspid valve. You've also got the pulmonary valve, the aortic valve, and the mitral valve. The definitions are over there. What I'd like you to do is it's important to remember the valves, especially what they do, and let's see if you can pause the video and answer this question. Pause the video. This is the answer I've written for that. You can have a read of it. It's important to understand how the heart works. The vena cava brings in deoxygenated blood into the heart. The heart goes down, the blood goes down the right atrium, down the right ventricle, into the pulmonary artery. So all the things I've explained during the video, I've just added that to my answer. And you can have a read. That is a good answer to understanding how the heart works. It's very important for all biologists to remember how the heart works. I've also tried my best to distinguish oxygenated blood as red and deoxygenated blood as blue. I hope you understand. Now there's just one more task for you guys and girls to do for me, and it's this. Can you put the correct words at the bottom into the correct box, showing the correct function for each label? That would be fantastic if you could do that. So which one brings in oxygenated blood from the lungs? The chamber with the thickest muscle. Chamber that receive blood from the veins. Okay, so I've started to add the answers as you guys and girls can see. Pause the video, see if you got it right. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. And this was a lesson on how the heart works.